Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Arro Build and Grow Credit app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Arro is a credit-building app designed to help users improve their credit through responsible spending, on-time payments, and guided financial habits. The platform offers a credit-building card, automated payment tracking, and personalized financial coaching to help users learn money management while building a positive payment history. It reports activity to major credit bureaus and is available on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is its credit-building card, which sets spending limits based on responsible usage and gradually increases them as users demonstrate good financial behavior. Arro also provides reminders, budgeting insights, and tools designed to help prevent overspending. It works in the background to report payments and improve credit scores over time, making it a beginner-friendly way to establish or grow credit. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its coaching-based approach, simple card design, and easy path to building credit without traditional credit card requirements. The spending guidance and automatic reporting provide structure for beginners or those recovering from credit issues. However, there are some drawbacks. Spending limits may feel restrictive for some users, and those expecting rewards, high limits, or advanced card features may find the app basic. The platform is also focused primarily on credit building, not full-service banking, which may limit its appeal to users seeking broader financial tools. In summary, the Arro app may be worth using if you want a simple, structured way to build credit, receive financial guidance, and track positive payment history. However, if you prefer traditional credit cards with rewards, higher limits, or advanced features, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.